Hello, it's Paul. Books. I'm both making invoices and quotes. If we're taking the option of Zoho One, how to make the apps speak to each other? So it's a good question, and the answer is you can't, because Zoho Books is the upgrade from Zoho Invoice. So I posted here the official spiel, which was actually in 2011, but what it basically says is if Zoho Books is your main accounting platform, then you would just use that. If you use outsourced accounting, this is how I read it. If you use outsourced accounting like Zoho, it's like ClearBooks or QuickBooks or Sage or something outside of Zoho, where, like I do actually, I use ClearBooks currently just because my accountant likes it, and it's too much of a ball ache to chop it over at this time, even though it cost me 25 quid a month. So effectively, Zoho Books is the whole shebang, the big daddy of making your quotes, making your sales, tracking your vendors, tracking your purchases, tracking your VAT. I need to look into payroll actually. I'm not sure how Zoho Books handles payroll. It may do it through Zoho People. But yeah, so, and what you'll find is, just to back that up, if you go to Zoho Invoice, so if I go to invoice.zoho, it will actually not let you in. I had to create another account to, let me just see if I can get back to where I was. I had to create another business to let me have access to it. So when you go access Zoho Invoice, I think it's going to jump me into, if you've already signed up for Zoho Books, it'll say this is your organization, you can't come in, or it'll say open Zoho Books, right? So the second part of the question was, how do you, if we're taking on Zoho, how do you make them speak to each other? So let's show you that, right? So just to prove the final point, when you go set up integrations and then go Zoho apps, it says here, one click Zoho Books and accounting software, blah, but then it just says upgrade to Zoho Books. So it doesn't say connect like this, try now, or connect if you've already got it. It basically says upgrade to Zoho Books. So there is no syncing, it's just going to move everything across from how I understand it. It's going to, you're one step away from Zoho. Before you upgrade, take a moment to go through. So if you're on Zoho Invoice and you've just signed up for Zoho One, then you're going to be able to transfer everything across to a new Zoho Books account. I would think it would offer that option. I'll actually, I don't know if I've set Books up on my other trial account. If I haven't set Books up already, it would probably say, give me an option to use the Zoho Books in Zoho One to sync everything across. But if you haven't used Invoice, it doesn't matter. All I'm saying is there is no way you can link them together. You're basically going to upgrade to Zoho Books and not use Zoho Invoice. So effectively, it's an app you won't use if you're full on with Zoho Books. So hopefully that answered the question. I mean, they both are still useful, but you may just not use one or the other. You're only using one or the other, but that's up to you. As always, keep your questions coming. We have a new Facebook group. You can ask in the Facebook group, you can ask in the training, and then you can ask in the full Zoho One forum. Cheers.